Hello, everyone. My name is Ruoxi Jia. I'm the second-year PhD student working in Crest Lab. So the goal of our lab is being using a large variety of technologies to reduce energy consumptions in the office buildings. Crest is kind of anchor point of SingaBest at Berkeley. So SingaBest is Singapore-Berkeley building efficiency and sustainable in the tropics, and it is interdisciplinary research group working on energy-efficient buildings. And basically, our lab works on many different aspects of the building. We collect data in the building, we do data analysis, we build models for the building for simulation and for building evaluation, and we also coordinate the building with grid in order to make them work as a whole in order to minimize energy consumption. But as the time is limited, here I'll just give you two examples in order to let you guys have a taste of what kind of research is going on in our lab. So if you want to see more, please visit us at 406 Corey, 1 to 3 p.m. And the first example here is what we call indoor localization and occupancy detection. And so once we got the information of occupancy in the building, there are a lot of different applications. One is that if we know there are no people in the room, we can just turn off the light. And if you have ever had experience look at the city skyline at night, you will see there are actually a lot of people leaving light on at night, and this will consume a lot of energy. And another example here, another application here is that we can develop and provide occupants a lot of services like navigation, and we can tell occupants what kind of activities around them, and such thing like that. And unlike the outdoor case, we can use GPS to tell us where is the nearest Starbucks. However, GPS doesn't work indoors. So we need to explore a lot of different technologies to do the indoor localization. Here is an example. We explore the acoustic features of different rooms in order to differentiate them. So the idea is that you might have experience to listen to music at a very professional hall or just at home. The quality of music is very, very different. And we approximate the room as a linear and time-invariant system. And we want to summarize these different auditory sensations in the room impulse response. So here, we develop a room impulse response measurement system on your laptop, which basically use your loudspeaker to transmit the sound, and then use the microphone to measure the response. So by some deconvolution technique, we get the room impulse response, and we extract some features for the classification algorithm to tell us the room labels. And this actually works amazingly well. And as you can see here, up there is the true location, and on the left is the estimated location given by our algorithm. And the accuracy can be given by averaging all the diagonal terms of this table, and the accuracy is about 97%. And there is another example of research, a very fun project going on in our lab is called social energy game. So the basic idea is that we want to implement the game theory in the office building, where each occupant is a game player. And we want to make the whole building as open market. In order to achieve this, we mount a lot of very accurate power meters at each seat. And we also develop this website where each occupant can log in and see their real-time power measurement. And each user can also tune the light and ventilation level individually. So here is the mechanic. Every week, occupants vote for their thermal comfort, and at the same time, building manager give back them some incentives like some money. And if occupants want to increase their comfort, they need to sacrifice some chances to win these rewards. And as this circle is running, we are trying to find some equilibrium where the total cost of energy can be minimized, whereas the comfort of occupants can still be guaranteed. And here is the result. As you can see here, as the blue line shows, after the game is implemented, the energy consumption is actually reduced. And I want to say of these projects, I joined work with Singapore researchers. And if you want to know more details, you are very, very welcome to our lab, Crest Lab. And thank you very much for your attention. Thanks.